Welcome back on to a CNBC-TV18 exclusive. We learned from sources that the Lodha Panel is unlikely to release the total dues of 49,000 crore rupees from the sale of real estate firm PACL's assets. Now, market regulator SEBI, remember, had constituted a three-member committee under the chairmanship of former Chief Justice R.M. Lodha for disposing of the land purchased by and refunding the proceeds to investors. Ashmit is joining in with the latest on this exclusive. Ashmit, what are you picking up from your sources, and will this change the case now going forward?
Well, it will definitely shape the contours of further hearings that we see as far as the PACL case is concerned, with sources confirming to us that as far as realizing that mammoth figure of 49,000 crores is concerned from PACL assets, well, that will be an uphill task. In fact, sources tell us that given the assets that are currently before the Lodha panel for realization of those dues, that figure is highly unlikely at this point. Now, just to remind our viewers, in the month of February, the Apex Court had passed an order. By way of that order, we had understand that a special committee had been constituted, led by former Chief Justice of India, R.M. Lodha, and he had been mandated with taking charge of those assets, selling those assets, and then realizing the dues and refunding to the investors. And now they are working with a 6-month deadline, which expires in August, but the early signs are worrying at this point. That 49,000 crore rupee mark looks increasingly difficult at this stage. What we do also are picking up from sources is that they are, however, confident of assets which are located in and around the capital. We understand that the committee has pegged the value of those assets at about 16,000 crores. They, in fact, are on a war footing with respect to selling of these assets in and around the capital, and they are hoping to, in fact, put them on the block and then recover the monies due from them by as early as May 31st. So that's something that they are confident about. One aspect that leads to that contributes towards the confidence is that these are unencumbered assets where there are no claims, and hence the sale process is expected to be a smooth one. The concern that the committee has expressed by way of sources is that they are afraid, they are wary that the remaining assets are the ones which in fact involves litigation. There are third-party claims and will render the entire process infructuous. So that is the key aspect to watch out for. The 49,000 crore rupee looking increasingly difficult mark to realize. Back to you.